Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to count numbers in Dinka language. Let's begin. Tok. Tok mean one. Row. Row. Two. Diak. Diak. Three. One. 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 Four. Ditch. 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 Five. The term. The term. The term. The term. Six. The row. The row. The row. Seven. Bet. Bet. Eight. Don't one. Don't one. Don't one. Don't one. Nine. Tiar. Tiar. 10. Tiar kutok. 11. Tiar kuro. 12. Tiar kudiak. 13. Tiar kungwan. 14. Tiar kungwan. 14. Tiar kudich. 15. Tiar kudetem. 16. Tiar kudoro. 17. Tiar kubet. 18. Tiar kudongwan. 19. Tiaro. 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 20. You can see here, guys. Here is tiar ku tok. We get it before tiar mean 10. And here is tiar ku tok. Tiar mean 10. Ku mean an. Tok mean 1. Like we get it here. It's like 10 and 1. 10 and 1. 10 and 1 is 11. Tiar kutuk. The same to this one. Tiar ku row. Tiar ku row. Tiar ku row is like 10 and 2. 10 and 2 is 12. Tiar ku diak the same. 10 and diak mean 3. Ku mean let me write it here. Ku mean an. This one mean an. Ku in Dinka language mean an. Okay, so that's how you count them. So let me repeat it. Tok, row, diak, one, ditch, the term, the row, bed, the one, tiar. Tiar ku tok. Tiar ku row. Tiar ku diak. Tiar ku ngwan. Tiar ku ditch. Tiar ku detem. Tiar ku doro. Tiar ku bed. Tiar ku dongwan. Tiaro. Tiaro. So let go like this. Tiaro. Tiar ku dongwan, which is 19. Tiar ku bed. Tiar ku doro. Tiar ku detem. Tiar ku ditch. Tiar ku ngwan. Tiar ku diak. Tiar ku row. Tiar ku tok. Tiar dongwan, bed, doro, detem, ditch, ngwan, diak, row, tok. Tok, row, diak, ngwan, ditch, detem, doro, bed, ngwan, tiar. Tiar ku tok. Tiar ku row. Tiar ku diak. Tiar ku ngwan. Tiar ku ditch. Tiar ku detem. Tiar ku doro. Tiar ku bed. Tiar ku dongwan. Tiaro. Tiaro kotok, tiaro kuro, tiaro kudiak, tiaro kuman, etc. So I will continue from tiaro, tiaro kotok. Yes, you write tiaro, then tok, tiaro kotok. So I will make the video next time. So guys, please, if you love this video, tell me so that I will be making the numbers. So our target is to count the numbers in Dinka language from 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000, we know 1000 in Dinka language is called Tiam Tok. So, like, if we want to count this one, 2022, 2024. Do you know, guys, how to count it? It's called Ron, like Ron Team Caro. This is Team Caro. Ron Team Caro ku tero ku nyal. Ron Team Caro ku tero ku Ron Team Caro ku tero ku Ron Team Caro ku tero ku nyal. So that is how we say it in Dinka language. Ron Team Caro ku tero ku nyal. Team Caro, Ron Team Caro ku tero ku So that is it, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Our target is to reach 1K in our channel, and I will be making more videos about these numbers. Now we are from 20, and next time we are going to be 21 onward. Thanks. Bye.